Нема oil і все.
Ми вже знаємо, так і так.
No oil.
То щоб не загубити нам.
Давай заведемо без oil, попробуємо як довго воно робити.
Це що? Що назад? Це певно oil, воно масло.
No, I don't think that's supposed to be there.
Yo, this would be a sweet TikTok. Melissa, get on the TikTok.
Yeah, for real, dude. Buying a sawmill off of eBay.
Вони показують, що на колесах.
This could get jacks.
Whose idea was it to get this sawmill?
It was my idea. Might be a bad idea now. Oh, we need this for our trailer?
The neck thing. Yeah, neck frame. You have neck frame too.
4, бачите, це 4.
Taillights in there. Be careful. I feel like in the center right here.
I know.
Ось ця сторона.
Я знаю, а яку на цьому, які дирки юзати на цей track rail?
Problem is, there's thousands of steps, thousands of bolts, thousands of parts, and only 3 of us.
Там плейт став.
Не говорите, я тільки хочу подумати трохи.
Oh yeah.
Доверху чуть-чуть.
How long do you think this is gonna take?
All day till nighttime.
I don't know where this is going. Just
It's gonna stay from there.
that same thing on the end over there.
Знизу? Я зверху ставлю.
Що ви звати?
Я так не
Я
можу.
всі зверху ставлю. Ти не бачив, ми всі зверху чекаємо.
Знизу. The last 2.
Bring it over here. Are those right? Go look at those. Those 2 are right? Let me see
They
it.
should be the same. They should be exactly the same. Just put it on there. That's all you gotta do.
А дірки однакові. Що?
Perfectly. All right, bring it over here. Level this one out.
Nice. What's nice?
Level this one out.
What's nice?
Мою сторону підняти чи ні? Так. Мою сторону треба підняти. А ні, опустити. Опустити.
Піднімайте, піднімайте. Окей.
Не пережимайте.
Зіграє.
А, не знаю.
Weak.
Думаю, що нам це робити довго тут і нудно. Роботи трохи є. Так, дай на цю штуку тут.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Tighten it up, son. Just one ugga-dugga. I'm going to tight where you strip the bolt. Say the joke again. Say the punchline.
Wow, Christmas.
Must be a deer and go bring us something to eat. A wiener.
You are a loser.
We out here winning.
Dad called you a loser. What's
Other
it
ones.
like being
A winner?
the son of a famous pop?
It's sometimes it could be very, very difficult walking through the stores and just out on the town. Everybody says, stop, stop. You there. No, not bad. Not bad at all.
2 grilled pork or 2 grilled beef dried vermicelli.
2 of those?
Yeah.
Are you gonna hold that up? I'm gonna try to think of something else that I might want.
No, that's it. That's all you need. Pho's
Thai
gonna,
green curry.
it's gonna fill you up, dude. Pho's gonna fill you
Fine.
up.
Can I put in an order for pickup? Can I get 3 beef pho's? And also, can I get 2 grilled pork
Grilled beef.
or grilled beef dry vermicelli?
Can you repeat the order again? 3 beef pho,
Yeah, 3 beef pho and then 2 grilled
2 pork,
beef dry vermicelli.
3 or 2?
2 of those. And also I'm gonna add to that some Thai green curry with the rice set. And that's gonna be it. Could you repeat that to me just to make sure? That was some really good Vietnamese food right there. Fire. Some curry, some pho, with some dang sauce, of course. You gotta spruce it up a little bit. It's gas, but that's pretty much it. I think we gotta get going.